Ramadan Recipes 2025. Big Mac, cheeseburger, spring rolls. Step 1. Cheeseburger filling. Heat oil, 1/4 cup. Sauté diced onion, 1 medium size. Add minced garlic, 3/4. Beef mince, 250 grams. Cook until it changes in color. Next, add in spices, 1 tsp, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Cook for 5 minutes. Cheeseburger fillings ready. Step 2. Big Mac sauce. Add all listed ingredients and mix well. Step 3. Making spring rolls. Cheddar cheese, 1 slice. Add cheeseburger filling and Big Mac sauce. Step 4. Frying rolls. Subscribe. Comment. Crispy and delicious Big Mac cheeseburger rolls are ready.
Wow!
Try this easy recipe this Ramadan and don't forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching.